Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the higher time frame trend and identifying where institutional stops cluster. You must do this before placing trades. Once done, draw clear liquidity zones, recent highs, lows, and obvious order blocks, and measure 0, 5 to 1, 0 ATR to set precision entry offsets. Place limit entries slightly inside the zone to avoid being hit by the initial flush. Use tight, logical stop placement just beyond the clustered stop, run to minimize loss. Once price approaches the marked liquidity area, watch for a rapid wick with a volume spike. This is the stop hunt signal. Enter when a confirmation candle closes back inside the zone. That confirms rejection and reduces false entries. Make sure to scale into the position, 1/3 on the first signal, another third on the following pullback, and the final third on a clear momentum continuation. Use a trailing stop to lock profits as price moves in your favor and manage risk actively. Finish by defining clear exits. Take a partial at roughly 1-to-1 risk-reward and trail the remainder toward 2-to-1 or more. This preserves gains while allowing winners to run. Once the first partial fills, move stops to break-even to remove directional risk and tighten the trail as momentum confirms. If the higher time frame structure breaks or price breaches a key level with follow-through, exit immediately. Preserving capital is priority. If trades repeatedly fail, reduce size and reassess your zone definitions before trading again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.